Season 1, Episode 5 of Kwababa Test. Danko.
Shooting the content for people. Oh, they like to call me the king of creator. Mr. YouTube. Mr. YouTube. Yeah, Mr. YouTube. I'm a young creator, I do this shit. When it's time my chance, the boys cooking. Numbers goes like chin 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 chin. Belang if you know by the notas. Belang dilo on a look cooking. She's a blind just like my numbers go high on the high go in the highway. I'm throwing my green car on the car game. Lord, belang if you know the man the top. I this is like shit. Suck.
It's a boy TS and when Buntanangana, and I'm with
Kilo.
yeah, shoot man, Jabona. So, okay, I was saying, Boozer like, would see since when I'm an artist and solo my piano, so in favorite job.
Scott Mapuma, Lum Crazy.
Yabo, Scott, Mapuma and Crazy Buffet, Jabonagi. Pelabo lama out la feeling nya can develop our mess up la so since like Scott no Mapuma and so Scott no Crazy. So when I like cocaine like a vibe or a vibe Sunday vibe bang son so like before siagul album lamang will keep yeah a week like this valley sport aman to mazano kumana bang angakana
It
depend so nga rate sa i-reserve like shela kwako out of 10 shela kwako so maybe
Shela yang shela but ngang rate.
Shito nuzko like sa usemi guys so sizokulungisa lo yabo disedi ungombelela
Hello.
Hi.
Kra. Kamala mtakani kwa chakula. Nice to meet you.
so kenzakalini man awuzalalise so kenzakalini
Azange ngikhulume much.
Shela dog, shela itshela intombazana ukuthi lalela ngiyakuthanda mina mfethu beli belikucabanga uma uthi hey wena hlama ngithe ngiyakuthanda mina hayi lento yakhe wena mfethu angikwazi ukuthi uweak umfana oweak ngiyazi lento yakhe awuba represent abafana ishele leyo ngani ungalibela u-actors o-male based la female based yeke lento yakhe yona takulimazayo leyo
wena umbona njani ukren wena umbona njani
Masalai or ngikhuluma iqiniso.
khuluma iqiniso hawu
Actually,
why yini la kumele lungise khona
it's a no. Like it's just a no.
yini la kumele lungise khona
Akukho.
zangikhuluma
Wena ngambonisa kuphela.
so should I see match kahle kahle
Yeah, it's not a match.
okay
Short.
sabonga ntana sabonga so bakufethi siya kumunye umuntu angithole ya sure danko and sinibuza like ama question yeah sinibuza like ama question
Yabo phela ngisho nala bisha.
ndoda ngisho like sifa like ku YouTube yabo like so my sibuza ama question about like kahle okay uzangiqala ke mina igama lami ngithe ne so like wena igama lakho bani
Usipho.
okay ilanga lakho linjani wa
Alikren.
so wena ulalela like which genre like ama pianos like
piano.
piano oh mara abantu me piano vele angiyabazi na okay like rate iris yakho ngokushela kwakho rate ukushela kwakho out of 10
Ntana 30.
30 yo dating when legend listen listen ngobaleki oh my god no Why
Check.
It's a point Sunway punta ng ngana pekan kay namit.
Horse exchange.
Yeah, shoot manja on. So since ilang alakalin dyan since kalin ng friend lang.
Ala po orang ito.
The king ane. Marga sa push ang son. So how often it took turn? Like bantuan like
Isang kulma na cool so mara wala ya kulma na.
Oh, so like very like you taken or what?
No, I'm not taking.
Okay, retire is da ko like came here retire is da. Robert say
I'll say 7.
7. It's not bad 7. So let's 7. Okay, let's say it. Please come on.
Hello. Listen.
Kalugas bambe. Iban kamala ko.
Listen.
Salagu.
It's cool.
Ko nga tu shy so.
Yes, I am.
Why?
I don't know.
Awazi mini kamala mu kaiso. Mara bang bizo horse. Na horse exchange if ufuna uzongithola lapha ku social media horse exchange. Yeah, mara maya ngisha kunasikhathi chance. Ngicela number yakho.
Okay.
Athi number.
Azulu.
Uzonginika ama after this video.
Yes.
Uthike lo mntwana. Are you taken?
Was and say was.
You are taken. Are you taken or what?
Wazala. So mbona njani?
Like ubuhle or njani?
Like ubuhle so. Okay,
Nimri.
shall is 36.
How?
36
Why?
come here. 36
8 out of 10.
8. Okay, so wena umbona njani?
A 6, by the way.
6.
So
Before.
Samantaka.
For me, I'm light.
That's a problem.
okay, so image or
Nah, it's not a match.
okay, sure, so thank. Wala.